Redeem the best code ILBET now and enjoy a generous 150% welcome bonus and 250 free spends. To activate the promo code, go to the start, click Sign Up, and choose the method you prefer for registration. Click Add Promo Code and enter ILBET. You can also choose the welcome bonus you want to receive for signing up. Once you've ensured all the details are entered correctly, complete the registration. In addition to the promo code, offers a variety of other bonuses. To learn more about them, visit the site, select the Offers section, and then go to Bonuses.